For the rest of my life, I'll be with you. I'll stay by your side, honest and true to the end of my time. I'll be loving you for the rest of my life. For the rest of I'll be with you. I'll stay by your side, honest and true to the end of my time. Now and forever, I'll be loving you. I'll be there for you, loving you for the rest of my life. Through days and nights, I'll thank Allah for opening my eyes. Now and forever, alright. I'll be there for you, my friend and my strength, deep in my heart. Feel so blessed when I found myself. I feel so strong. Yes, everything was changed when we do. You're my wife and my friend and my strength, and I pray we're together in Jannah. Oh, now I found myself. I feel so strong. Yes, everything was changed when you.
You see, look guys, Louis Vuitton. Oh my goodness. Yan guys ang aking parcel for today's video. Magi-gift check tayo guys. Thank you for watching guys. Thank you for watching. Louis Vuitton. Ta-da-da. Thank you for watching. Enjoy. Bye-bye. Babush.
For the rest of my life, I'll be with you. I'll stay by your side, honest and true. I'll be with you. I'll stay by your side, honest and true. I'll be loving you, loving you for the rest of my life. Loving you days and nights. I'll thank all the rest of my life. Days and nights, I'll thank Allah for opening my eyes. Now and forever, deep in my heart, there for you. Feel so blessed when I think deep in my heart, and I ask Allah. Feel so blessed when I think of you. You're my wife and my friend and my strength, and I pray we're together. My wife and my friend, and now I found myself. I feel so strong. Yes, everything was changed. Now I found myself. I feel so strong. Yes, everything was changed when you.
Ito guys, ako ay magbo-boil ng chicken. Yan guys. Tsaka, tingnan nyo guys, nagluto ako ngayon ng aking kakaining mais. My favorite. Yan guys. Hindi ko siya tinanggal kasi vitamins pa rin yan. Yan. Mainit-init pa guys. Kain tayo ng mais. Yan. Okay guys. Yan. Tapos na ako dito. Yan. Nagugas na ako. Yan guys. Ang aking life. Ako'y kakain ng mais guys. Kain tayo. Ito guys ang aking kakainin for today. Yan guys. Ito ang aking gift. Salamat sa may gift sa akin. Yan guys. Ito ang aking kakaining mais. Yan guys. Hello guys, for today's video, ganito yung gagawin natin guys para matanggal yung lansa. Yan guys, ito yan guys, tingnan nyo guys, yan. Yan ang aking tatanggalin guys para mawala yung lansa ng manok. Ito ang aking ginagawa pag naglilinis ako ng manok guys. Yan, para walang lansa at malinis. Para masarap yung kain guys. Ganyan siya guys. Lahat yan, tinatanggal ko yan siya guys. Ganyan. Ganyan guys. Ito guys, ganyan. Lahat niyan guys, yung parang ano siya guys, yung parang yan, parang sipon-sipon. Sorry sa words. Pero yan yun guys, yan dapat tanggalin mo yan para hindi malansa, para masarap yung kain mo. Kasi pagka malansa guys, parang hindi ka ano, 'di ba? Parang hindi masarap kumain. Alam nyo na ganun talaga guys. 'Di ba? Kailangan talaga malinis yung manok. Kasi iba kasi pag manok guys malansa talaga siya pagka hindi mo talaga siya nilinis ng masyado. Ba? Yan. Ito. Yan din. Mga ganyan. Yan. Tapos pagtapos nito guys, anuhin ko rin siya ng ah, tawag doon, hugasan ko rin siya ng asin. Ganon. Ganyan guys. Lahat yan guys. Yan. Lahat. Lahat yan. Tatanggalin mo para masarap yung kain mo pagka natanggal talaga yung parang ano niya, yung madulas-dulas guys. Yan. Yan. Tingnan nyo guys. Yan. Lahat yan guys. Yan. Ito yan guys. As in, talagang kailangan talaga malinis. Yan, tingnan nyo guys. Yan, yan, yan. Kailangan talaga malinis ang manok. Kasi alam nyo guys, ang gagawin ko dito is ibo-boil ko muna siya. Saka ko siya lulutuin tomorrow. Ganyan. Ganyan ang ginagawa ko guys para ano, kasi mag-isa lang naman ako, so hindi ko yan kakainin lahat. Papakuluan ko muna siya and then tomorrow gagawin ko siya, lulutuin ko siya guys. Ibo-boil ko lang muna siya guys, ganun. At pwede ko rin siyang i-fry ganyan, ipiprito ko siya guys pagtapos ng boil. Yan. Tingnan nyo guys, marami pa rin siyang dulas-dulas. Yan. Tapos, anuin ko siya mamaya. Irarab ko yan siya ng ng asin para mawala yung lansa, as in malinis talaga. Ganun ako maglinis guys. Yan. O diba? Pag natanggal yung dulas-dulas guys, tingnan nyo pagka naluto na siya, wala siya talagang lansa. As in, ano tawag doon, malinis. Pag kinain mo siya, tapos pagka nag-boiled ka or something like that guys, dapat maglagay ka ng lemon at saka sibuyas para mawala yung amoy ng manok. Ganun guys, yung lansa-lansa niya. Yan. Ganyan guys. Ito guys, tingnan nyo guys, yan, yan, yan. Lahat yan guys, yan. Di kasi maganda to guys, parang, kasi yung iba, may minsan kasi pag may nakakain kasi ako minsan na, parang malansa siya. Kasi hindi yun na, natanggal yung ganyan, yung dulas-dulas. Ewan kung anong tawag dyan guys. Yung parang sipon-sipon guys, yan. Ganyan, hindi yan maganda guys. So, ito guys, yan guys. For today's video, yan, ako'y magbo-boil ng manok. Yan guys. Ganito lang yung aking life, mag-isa. Minsan naman guys, pagka sinisipag-sipag ako guys, bumibili talaga ako ng manok. Yan. Favorite ko kasi ang manok guys. Minsan binuboil ko lang siya. Ganyan. Ganyan guys. Yan. Pwede na siya guys, hindi na siya malansa, hindi na siya hindi na siya madulas. I mean, yung at least yan, wala na siyang wala na siya, yung parang yung dulas-dulas. Tingnan nyo. Ganyan ang aking life. Ganyan guys. Okay guys, thank you for watching.